Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Kovalt, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to write the expression for K using the law of mass action. So let's get into this. So this is problem number 2. So here we're dealing with a reaction where we actually have formulas of actual substances. So first thing I want to point out is that the law of mass action is basically saying that the rate of reactions is forward and reverse is based on concentrations, right? So concentration is going to affect the rate of forward and reverse reactions. And so basically both products and reactants are going to affect your equilibrium constant. So the way this works is that you are going to write an expression for your equilibrium constant based on the concentrations or pressures if you're given like atmospheres or pressures of the substances. And so let's get into this. So here we have this equation here. We have methanol gas that's going to be in equilibrium with carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. And so for this reaction, we're going to write the expression for its equilibrium constant. So the thing to remember, or a couple of things that we remember, is that your, I should write it here. So your K value is basically going to be concentration of products over concentration of reactants, right? That's the general idea is products over reactants, and it's the concentration of, or if you're given pressures, it's going to be the pressures of those substances, and it's going to be raised to the powers of their coefficients. So what does that mean? So we're going to take our products, and the coefficients of each of the products is then going to be a power of the of that product's concentrations. Same thing goes with the reactant. So the other thing I want to tell you or discuss is that no solids or liquids in the expression. So if you have a solid or a liquid in your equation, we're not going to put that in the expression because remember, we're talking about things that can change concentrations, and solids and liquids don't really have a concentration that changes, right? They pretty much have a constant concentration. So we ignore those. So that leave it at that to explain why we don't include solids and liquids. We want things that are going to be changing concentration, and so things that are dissolved in water will will change concentration. Gases, pressures of gases depend on uh, how much molecules, how many molecules you have in a container. So again, that can be viewed as the same as concentration. Okay, so how do we write the expression for this? We have all gases, so gases can be included in the expression. So generally put, or what we want to do is have our K value, and then we're going to have products over reactants. So we're going to start with the products. We have CO, so we're going to take the concentration of CO. And notice that CO, the coefficient is 1. We don't write ones, so this will be raised to the power of 1. So we just leave it like that. Next, we have hydrogen gas, so it will be multiplied by the concentration of H2. And so we have a 2 there for the coefficient, so the concentration of our hydrogen gas is going to be raised to the power of 2. So whatever coefficient we have, that's the power we're going to put for the concentration. Now we're done with our products. Now let's go look at reactants. And so we only have one reactant, so we're going to write the concentration of methanol, CH3OH. And again, you can see that there's no coefficient there, so we're just going to write it like this. And the 1 is going to be there. It's understood. We just don't usually write the 1s. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this would be the expression for our equilibrium constant for this reaction. So if I hope that makes sense. If this video helped you in any way, if you found this video helpful or interesting, and if you like this video, then please like the video. Hit that like button over there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, right? Hit that notification bell so you can be notified by all the videos I put out. Make sure you click all though. And also make sure that you share this video with your friends. And finally, put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.